There are lots of ways you can use AI as it stands today. So again, there will be more coming in the future with agents and being able to write your own code and all those things. Those are going to be on the horizon, but you can get valuable use out of it today. First thing you could do is you could start to just record your internal meetings. And so use the facilitator agent or record your team's meetings and then use that to create summaries of the meetings that you've had. Share the action items with somebody else on your team. That's probably the first thing that I see people do because it's easy to do and it's really valuable. So the next thing I would have people do is start to use it in the Microsoft Office suite. So in Outlook, you can use it to write emails for you. But where I found the most value is actually to use it for searching. So let's say you got an email from somebody 2 weeks ago and you can't remember where you put it. Like you can use the Copilot search in Outlook to find that message. You can say, give me a message from last year from Bob that talked about this. And it's just a much better search than you've had before in Outlook search. And it will actually search across your Word documents or anything you have in SharePoint or Teams. So that alone is so valuable because finding things in SharePoint or in Outlook has always been a little more challenging than you would have liked it to be. So that's probably the next thing that I would look to do with it. If you like to use it for creating PowerPoints or creating emails, you can certainly do that. With some of the functionality in Excel where if you're creating some formula and you're stuck, that is so much better than it was before in the help. So if you get stuck on something, you can ask Copilot to fix your formula for you and it'll actually do that. So those are some of the things that you can start with. And then Microsoft has a number of agents that they've released, and one of my favorite is the researcher agent. So the researcher agent you can use to get a real deep dive on whatever you're asking about. Yeah, the same way it's better to search for something using ChatGPT than it was to search for something in Google. That same thing you can use internally, like the search tools internally in Teams or Outlook or SharePoint have been okay, but this is so much better than what you've seen before.